We'll guide you through how to use Claude Cowork for seamless collaboration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Cowork website. Once you're there, you'll need to either log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can access all your projects. To start a new project, click on the Create Project button, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Give your project a name and a brief description to keep things organized. Next, you'll want to invite your team members. Click on the Invite button, which should be visible within the project interface. Enter the email addresses of your team members and hit Send Invites. They will receive an email with a link to join your project. Now, you can start collaborating. You can upload files, assign tasks, and set deadlines by navigating to the Files and Tasks tabs within your project. For effective communication, use the built-in chat feature. You'll find this in the lower right corner of your screen, allowing you to send instant messages to your team. If you need to schedule meetings, go to the Calendar section, select a date and time, and invite your team members by adding them to the event. One of the key features of Claude Cowork is its integration capability. You can connect other tools like Google Drive or Dropbox for easy file sharing. To do this, visit the Integrations section in your settings and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Remember to regularly check the activity feed to stay updated on any changes or progress made by your team. This ensures that everyone is on the same page. Don't forget to explore the customization options to tailor the interface to your preference. You can adjust notifications, themes, and more by clicking on Settings. With these steps, you'll be able to maximize the potential of Claude Cowork in managing your projects efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.